Morning guys, July 27th, 2020. Give it to you, how you doing, mama? Give it to you, how you doing? Hot today. I mean 90, 95 degrees. It's a scorcher. Usually don't get that hot up here where I live. A little 2-ton American Standard. A little 2-ton TXV. Oh, it says Texas. Looks like it's got a piston in it. So what we're going to do, we're going to shut it down, we're going to check the filters. I don't know if she's got any extra filters around here. Don't seem like it. Well, we got a blue one here. That might be a replacement for it. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. I wonder where the switch is for it. Alright, so I took the cover off to see what we're looking at for filter. Crazy dirty. Dirty enough though. I did vacuum the filter. It wasn't really dirty, but I did vacuum it. You can do that if you're in a jam. I'm gonna have to get some more for her, but for now, I'll get her by 20 by 20 by 1. There's the size. You make sure you put it back in the same way you took it out. You know, it's better to get new ones, but I don't have this size in the truck. So it's as good as it gets for now. We'll put this back on, start it up, and check the charge. How you doing? We'll get us some more filters. I usually like to mark it right on the door what size it is. "20 by 20 by 1. Alright, so it's a thermal zone, it's an 09, so that's 22 for sure. 22. The charge is going to be fine, but we're going to check it. It's like a RUD unit. It's like a RUD unit. See the way it's made? Should have a piston on this unit. I'm thinking the charge is going to be fine on this one. By looking at it, the way everything's working, I think the charge is going to be fine, but we'll see. Yeah, look at that. Get over here in the shade where you can see my superheat's above. My pressure's about 70, which is fine for 22. Superheat's at 8, 10. Superheat's at 10. And the subcooling's fine. Gotta go by the piston. So this is, I wouldn't want to put any more gas in it because this will start coming down to superheat. We're fine right there. The charge is fine. I just needed to clean the filters. Probably going to hit this outside coil with the hose on the way out. That's all looking fine. To clean the filter, she is gonna buy some more filters at Home Depot. The pleated one's the number 4. MERV 4, I told her to get those, would be fine. So this is actually looking good here with the superheat. Give it a little bit, let it run. That's all looking good there. You can see I'm 69 on the pressure, 69 on the suction pressure, 9 degrees on superheat, subcooling 6. I just got to hit this coil on the way out with a hose, and I should be fine. Good enough for this neighborhood. Trying to flush that stuff out of there, get that dirt out of there if you can. Get that stuff out of there so it don't rot it, right? I want to rot the coil. Keep it clean. Don't hurt to keep it clean. Around and do it really good. What happens is the grass gets in there from doing the grass clippings, right? That's what gets in there is the grass. Cutting the grass. Yo, how you doing, Mama? Good enough for this neighborhood.